Extracellular polymeric substances, EPS, are complex mixtures of polymers, primarily polysaccharides, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids produced by microbial cells. They form a matrix that surrounds cells in biofilms, providing structural stability, protection against environmental stress, and facilitating nutrient retention and microbial communication. Mycoplasms, on the other hand, are a unique group of bacteria that lack a cell wall, making them resistant to antibiotics like penicillin that target peptidoglycan synthesis. Their flexibility and small genome enable them to adapt to various environments as parasitic or saprophytic organisms. Ribosomes, the sites of protein synthesis, differ between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S, composed of 50S and 30S subunits, while eukaryotic ribosomes are larger, 80S, consisting of 60S and 40S subunits. These structural differences are exploited in antibiotic development, as many drugs selectively target prokaryotic ribosomes without affecting eukaryotic. Question time. What is EPS and what is its function? Well, the answer, extracellular polymeric substance, that's EPS. Glycolysis helps cells attach to their target environment, to each other in biofilms, and facilitates communication. Keywords to remember: 1. Glycocalyx attach. 2. Facilitates communication. Now it's time to fill in the blank. Extracellular polymeric substance, blank, helps cells blank to their target environment, to each other in biofilms, and blank, blank. This next slide is a part of my interactive slides that are available in my members area. Feel free to join the micro tribe so that you can grab your slides today. Click the link in my description box. On to the question. What is EPS and what is its function? Here you would then click on the correct answer. Question number 2. What are the microorganisms that have atypical cell wall? The answer? Microplasmas. Keyword to remember, of course, is mycoplasmas. It's time to fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Here's another interactive slide. Question number 2. What are the microorganisms that have atypical cell walls? Here you would click on the correct answer. Question number 3. What are the names of the ribosomes in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Answer: prokaryotic cell ribosomes are 70S, which includes 50S and 30S subunits, and eukaryotic cell ribosomes, they are 80S, which includes 60S and 40S subunit. Keywords to remember: prokaryotes, 70S, 2. Eukaryotes, 80S. Fill in the blank. Prokaryotic ribosomes, blank, and eukaryotic cells, ribosomes, blank. Here's another interactive slide. Question number 3. What are the names of the ribosomes in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? It is your job to click on the correct answer. Now, if you're interested in these interactive slides, they are in my membership. Feel free to scan the QR code that's on your screen so that you can start participating, start being interactive with your study time.